Hello! List in Python, set number 8, programs getting continued on elementary working on lists. Programs, where are they? Here the programs are. So, what do you think we are going to do now? The program to be chosen now is program number 8. This one. Let us look into the program now. We have to fill a third array with elements of two arrays, comparing them and filling the larger one in the resulting array. So fill each cell with the larger value of the corresponding elements. So let me show you how it's going to happen. Right. Now this time I'll want you to look from the results to understand what is the work, right? Here you see the first list which has been filled up with random numbers by the help of input statement. They are 31, 98, 65, 54, 87. The second list was also filled up with some numbers, any numbers, but which were 45, 89, 12, 78 and 56. The third list was given the corresponding larger one. You see, between 31 and 45, 45 was brought down. 98 and 89, 98 was brought. 65 and 12, 65 was brought. 54 and 78, 78 was brought. And 87 and 56, among the two, 87 was brought. How was the work done therefore? Look, in the program you will find something is similar with the previous program. The first list filled. In the same way, the second list also filled. But the third list is not getting filled easily, directly. It is getting filled with something which is coming from the if-else part. If list A's item number at I is larger than the element in list B, then N is getting the element from list A. Otherwise, N is getting the element from list B. This helps us to find out the larger of the corresponding elements. So the comparison takes place first between 31 and 45 in this example. Then out of the two, whichever is larger, that comes to N, which comes to list C's and gets added to list C. So finally, in this way, after comparing all the corresponding elements from list A and list B, that is element at I for both the cases, what we get to see is list A is printed, then list B is printed, and then list C is printed. Here is the sample. If you would like to run the program, please write it down in your own and run it, fill them up, and then print output and verify. Okay, coming up are more programs. Okay.